Hello friends, so now I will give one more example how to redirect to page not found from the code in AngularJS. So I will give one example now. Suppose if you see here, so whenever user wants to see any particular student details, you just need to click here, and so that details will get load here. And if you click back, it will come back. Suppose in case if I updated here 9, so there is no student called student 109 std. So when I try to access that, if you see that this empty students details are loaded, so because there is no student called 109 std1. So in this case, instead of loading the empty screen, I just wanted to redirect to page not found or student not found. So I will show you how to implement that. So this is where I am retrieving that ID from the URL. So I am passing that into the service, and the service will return that result. So before that, I just wanted to identify whether the student exists or not. So I will create a method called which that is going to decide whether the student exists or not. Let me go and create a that service method in service ts. So this is my method. So it is going to accept id as a parameter. So let me go and declare that. So it is going to return boolean. So maybe bool. Let me do it. Student unfind. So x dot id equal id. So it is going, so the find we have the array, so array we have the find method. Let me see what exactly it will do. Tooltip return value of the first element in the array where the predicate is true, undefined otherwise. Find calls predicate once each element. So it is going to identify return. So let me find another method. Hi friends, I have completed the coding since it is taking time. So this is the method in the service I am wearing array of find. So this is going to return whether it's true or false. If student is find, it will return true, else it is false. So so this is where it is getting, I'm verifying. This is component student details component ts. Sorry, students details. So here I'm so here I'm calling that method service method. So if you see that here has student, so here I'm calling that method with parameter. If it is written true, I'm loading to student details. Otherwise I'm redirecting back to student not found screen. So if you see here, this is where we can navigate from Java, AngularJS code using router dot navigate. So this router I'm going to import from the router module. So we have to import this one from the router module, and so I have created private variable for that, and so I'm just using navigate to redirect back to student not found screen. So this student not found, I have um, created the router paths. So here I have declared that router path not found, so that I can when I navigate happen, it will check this path and redirect to this component student not found component. So I have created a student not found component. So in this component, so I am showing this student not found, please type the correct student ID. So that's where it's so let me go and navigate this page. So this is all so this is all fine. Suppose in case if if user tries with uh, valid invalid student ID, so this is not there in here, so it will automatically load student to not found component, student not found so this is so it has loaded. So if I click, it will back. So this is the code, it will get executed. So this is where it will identify and redirect. I hope I have understand how to navigate to another page from the AngularJS TypeScript code. Here I have used service. It is identified and get back to us. So whether the student available on, based on that I am loading the screens. I hope you understand how to implement this. And thank you very much. Please keep watch my videos. Thank you very much.